Hello, if we haven't met you before, we're Linda and Craig, and we're currently travelling beautiful Kangaroo Island in a rooftop tent. We're entering the Flinders Chase National Park region, which was devastated by bushfires in late December 2019. In this episode, we'll show you how this beautiful area has been rebuilt and regenerated. It has been a bit rainy and windy, so we've decided for night 5 we're going to stay at the Discovery Caravan Park and get a few jobs done, like some washing. Good morning. Today we're heading off to West Bay. We are going to stop into Snake Lagoon and do the hike. We've told it's absolutely beautiful, so please stick around and have a look with us. This is Snake Lagoon. So we've walked 2 kilometres in. About 1.3 kilometres in. The day's improving, some blue sky, which is nice. About 2 kilometres on the Snake Lagoon Trail brings you out to the mouth of the Rocky River. Beautiful spot. Windy. Just met this little friend on the road, on the trail. Gave me a bit of a fright because I got pretty close to it. Dark skies are coming in again. Hopefully we should get back to the car park before it hits. We've just done a walk into Snake Lagoon and onto the mouth of the Rocky River. It's a little bit of rock scrambling, some beautiful sights on the way, some lovely flowering natives, and a little bit of wildlife as well.
There to stop the corollas.
So we've made that to West Bay along a 4-wheel drive only track, and you probably see from the video the Corolla deterrent at the beginning. The road in wasn't too bad, a little bit corrugated, but certainly a good road in. We dropped the tyre pressure down a little bit to make it more comfortable. But at the end, they're rewarded with beautiful West Bay. We've arrived at the West Bay campground and we've chosen number 7. Cute little spot. It's got a little table and chairs, that'll be handy. And we're just going to go and check out the rest of the campground. We are the only ones booked in for the night so far. So we'll see if any other campers follow in. Heading up to the lookout. Wow. Very nice. We're just at the entrance to the West Bay campground. We're just going to go for a look and have a look at the sites. We're on number 6. 7. No, we're on number 7. And it's really good, nice and level. We're out doing what everybody does when they get to a campsite. Go and check out all the other sites. Make sure you've got a good one and you know if you come back which one you're coming to.
Most of these are a bit slopey.
Most of the sites are relatively level and they're all very private, lots of foliage between them. There's number 1, number 2. So we chose number 7 down here. Had good clearance for the tent. It's as out of the wind as any of the others. And not far through the trees there to the toilet block, which is very clean and tidy.
Handmade ice cream. Up at the local boutique establishment.
Bit of a treat tonight. Just a couple little tips for making your pancakes. Freeze some strawberries from home in a little Ziploc bag. Take them out of the freezer the night before you're going to use them and pop them in the fridge. Then you can just squash them in the Ziploc bag to make the strawberry sauce. It works really well and less washing up. With your cream, only used half, about 150 mils, so we had heaps for brekkie. Then just reserve a little bit for on the road because you're bound to make too many pancakes, so you can have them as a bit of a snack as you go along. Oh, that's it, photo. That's it. Oh, the serenity.
What?
Oh, the serenity. Fabulous camp here at West Bay. We were the only ones overnight. Maybe the threat of the rain has held a few people off, but truly a remarkable spot to come and visit. We're heading off this morning, but just beautiful. The beach is lovely, climbing along the rocks is lovely. Certainly a place to put on your list to come and have a look at. On leaving West Bay, we did need a little boost to get the car started. Thankfully, we'd invested in a Noco Boost Pro, and we don't leave home without it now. Our trip out of West Bay did take a bit longer, as I was getting Craig to stop constantly to take pictures of the amazing variety of wildflowers. Please stay with me through the next couple of pictures. Even if you're not a lover of wildflowers, these are so beautiful. I just couldn't leave them out of the video. Just done the loop walk at the Platypus waterholes. Put this one on your list, it's beautiful. The biodiversity and the regeneration after the fires is amazing. There's some good information boards on the way around as well. devastated KI. Ironically, many plants and animals rely on bushfires to stimulate growth and support biodiversity. Waterholes, and we're on Shackle Road. It's an unsealed track. We're heading towards Cape Border. So all the unsealed roads on KI are four-wheel drive. We have aired down. It's not a bad track. It's a little bit corrugated, but not a bad trip. Some great scenery on the way. Thanks for joining us, guys. Please join us up the road in our next episode. And remember, please like and subscribe.